Let's wrap up this journey with some key takeaways and set you up for even more success moving forward. To keep improving, make practice a consistent part of your routine. Here are some tips to help you. Set aside 15 to 30 minutes daily. Small, focused sessions are better than long, irregular ones. Warm up with scales and simple exercises to get comfortable with the keys and bass buttons. Play songs you enjoy. This keeps practice fun and rewarding. Record your sessions occasionally to track your progress and spot areas for improvement. Most importantly, be patient with yourself. Progress takes time, and every note you play is part of the journey. As you continue, you can explore exciting topics like playing more complex chords and experimenting with harmonies, learning to improvise and create your own musical expressions. Exploring different musical genres, accordion shines in everything from classical to jazz and folk. These skills will elevate your playing and help you find your unique style as a musician.